Hello, learners. Welcome back to another fun English lesson with Education Village. Today, we'll learn how to talk about yesterday using past tense. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this doodle. This is our past tense map. It will help us understand easily. We use past tense when something already happened. Most of the time, we just add "ed" to the verb. I play football. I played football. We walked to school. We walked to school. Try it with me. Yes, cooked. Dance? Yes, danced. Let's compare what we usually do with what we did yesterday. Usually I stay with my grandfather. Yesterday I stayed with my uncle. Now you try. Fill in the blank. Usually I. Yesterday I. Sometimes we want to say we did not do something. We say didn't plus the verb no Ed. I didn't wash my hair. She didn't walk to school. Let's say it together. I didn't play. I didn't go. I didn't talk. Let's listen to a story. Can you guess the past tense? Last year, my mother baked a cake. Yes, baked. She also organized a party. Right, organized. Great job today. For homework, write one sentence with "ed" and